Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete a table in Google Docs in just a few seconds. So let's get started the video. First, open your Google Docs file. Now find the table you want to delete and click on it. After that, right click anywhere on the table. Now from the menu, click on Delete Table. And that's it. The entire table is now removed. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.